apart from me performing at Akwa Ibom, a lot of people are flying in from other states that don't have this kind of facility. And I'm just excited. This is the first of its kind. You know, normally we're excited to travel out to perform because they have everything that we need production-wise. So I'm happy that finally, you know, my own home, I can wake up and be like, I'm going to Akwa Ibom to give the same production I gave earlier in the year in America. I'm very, very excited about it. The album has done amazingly well. The tour, we're going to have about 30,000, more than 30,000 people there tonight. And, you know, these are all people that paid tickets to come and watch, you know, African music.
Thank you for setting the stage for some of our local musicians and entertainers to feel they share the stage with Davido. You know, that is also how they draw inspiration, that one day they will also aspire to be like you. Thank you so much, and we look forward to tonight. We hope again, like you said, see you many more times, and eventually as a state government, this is your show, this is your night, this is arranged by your people, but I hope one of these days we'll be able to walk and invite you as a state to our events. Thank you so much and welcome.
We love what you are doing. We are praying for you. So I must thank my governor that this is something in his time. When I was a governor, I didn't have this kind of opportunity to receive a Nigerian star of international star. Tonight you are employing a lot of children, but you are going to see among the performers tonight that the Akwa Ibom has boarding stars. Future Davidos are going to play tonight. Sharing the stage with you. This is another state that you can imagine. Please take my people and also develop them. When you are going abroad, don't go with only Cubana. Also carry Akwa Ibom children along. Let them learn. Let them learn because we all love you. Nigeria loves you. We are very proud of you.